Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make these really cool and easy spiral hangers. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a sheet of cardstock paper or printer paper. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw a big circle that's half the size of the paper. Then you're going to cut out the circle with some scissors. After you cut out the circle, you're going to draw a spiral. Make sure the width of the spiral is thick. That way it is easier to cut. And be sure to leave the center like this. Then cut along the lines that you drew. Next, in the small space in the center, you're going to cut a small slit with scissors. And then to this end, you're going to make it curved so that it's not pointy and so that it doesn't poke anyone in the eye. The next step is optional, and that step is to decorate it however you'd like. And here are some examples. This one, it is striped. And then here's this one that has the paint splatter effect on it. And be sure to decorate both sides when you decorate it. And if you are using paint, be sure to wait after painting one side, that way you let it dry. That way you can proceed to the other side and paint it. I'll be decorating mine with some puffy paint dots. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out a piece of string of your choice. I'll be using yarn, and the piece of string should be 6 to 8 inches long. And the piece of string is going to go through the little slit that you cut earlier. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to have your piece of string go through the slit that you cut earlier, but you're only going to have 1 inch of the string through. And then that 1 inch is going to turn into a small knot. And that is all. And once you're done, you can hang it anywhere you think this decoration would look good. If you're having trouble hanging your decoration, highly recommend using a paper clip. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the string around the paper clip. And then you're going to secure it by giving it a twist. And then you create the hook, and it is ready to be hanged. Thank you guys so much for watching this video here on my channel. I really hope it was easy for you to make this DIY. The swirl hanger thingies, swirl hanger decorations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions, and be sure to check out my other videos here on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.